Alright, today we're out. Mosquitoes are getting my elbows. Today we're out harvesting some Indian pipe, ghost pipes. And they do have roots. They're just a rhizome down there that they come up off of. And you can leave the rhizome down in there and just take these pipes here. And they are great for painkiller, toothache, headache. And what I'll do is I'll take the seeds and dry them out on these, take the seed tops off, then make a tincture or a poultice or something out of these, and dry them and jar them up and put them away for later time medicine.